build a giant bed for 10 monkeys using cardboard boxes. This fun and creative project transforms simple recycled cardboard boxes into a giant play bed for 10 monkeys. Kids will love this DIY activity that combines imaginative play, crafting, and storytelling. Today, we're building a giant bed for 10 little monkeys using cardboard boxes. The supplies and lists we need are large cardboard boxes, tape and glue, scissors with adult supervision, colorful markers and paints, pillows and blankets for extra fun. We're stacking boxes to make a big monkey bed, just like in the song. I will draw banana patterns on the cardboard, and the monkeys help color in with bright paints. Some monkeys accidentally paint themselves, leading to giggles and playful moments. Now it's super cozy for the monkeys! The monkeys start jumping on the bed, recreating the classic nursery rhyme. Suddenly, one monkey falls off, leading to a funny moment. The friendly child laughs and pretends to call the doctor, referencing the song. The remaining monkeys keep jumping until all 10 fall off one by one. The friendly child high-fives the viewers, saying, "We did it! We built a giant monkey bed!" Now it's your turn. Grab some boxes and get creative.